Your skin is a direct reflection of your internal nutrition. Every collagen fiber in it was built from amino acids you ate. Every antioxidant protecting it from UV damage came from your food. The skin cells turning over right now are being assembled from the nutrients available in your bloodstream. What you eat doesn't just affect your health markers. It physically constructs the largest organ in your body, cell by cell, every day. Collagen is the most abundant structural protein in your skin. It provides tensile strength, firmness, and elasticity. After age 25, your body produces roughly 1% less collagen per year. By 60, you've lost about 35% of your collagen density. But research shows that specific dietary inputs, both for collagen synthesis and collagen protection, can meaningfully slow this decline and even support recovery. The nutritional dermatology research base is growing rapidly. Key papers in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology, the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, Dermatoendocrinology, and Nutrients have established the dietary inputs most critical for skin health and collagen synthesis. We now have human randomized trials, not just mechanistic studies, showing dietary and supplemental interventions produce measurable skin improvements. Research shows this pattern is more consistent across populations than previously understood. The prevailing assumption is that skin health is primarily managed from the outside, with creams, serums, and topical treatments. Research on skin physiology shows the inside-out direction is equally or more important. The epidermis turns over every 28 days, entirely new cells built from dietary inputs. The dermis, where collagen and elastin live, requires specific amino acids, vitamin C, zinc, and copper to synthesize those structural proteins. No topical cream generates collagen from the outside in. Advanced glycation end products, AGEs, are one of the most destructive forces for skin collagen, and most people have never heard of them. AGEs form when sugars react with proteins in a non-enzymatic process called glycation. They cross-link collagen fibers, making them stiff and prone to breaking. High blood sugar chronically drives AGE formation in skin tissue. Ultraviolet radiation, smoking, and cooking food at very high temperatures all produce additional dietary AGEs that accumulate in skin. Most skin-focused dietary advice stops at drink more water and eat your vegetables. While both are valid, the research on skin nutrition is much more specific. The particular amino acids needed for collagen, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, are concentrated in foods most people eat rarely or never: bone broth, skin on poultry, organ meats. Vitamin C's role in collagen synthesis is absolute. Without it, procollagen cannot be hydroxylated and no functional collagen is formed. A randomized controlled trial published in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology studied 69 women aged 35 to 55 who supplemented with specific collagen peptides or placebo for 8 weeks. The collagen group showed a statistically significant 20% increase in skin elasticity and measurable reduction in wrinkle depth versus placebo. The mechanism: ingested collagen peptides are partially absorbed and stimulate fibroblasts, the collagen-producing cells, to increase their output. The body detects the collagen fragments and upregulates synthesis. Vitamin C is the rate-limiting step in collagen synthesis. The enzyme prolyl hydroxylase, which converts proline to hydroxyproline, a collagen-specific amino acid, requires vitamin C as an obligate cofactor. Without adequate vitamin C, procollagen cannot be stabilized into mature collagen. Research shows that just 75 to 90 milligrams of vitamin C per day, easily achieved through food, is sufficient for baseline collagen synthesis, but higher intakes of 200 to 500 milligrams appear to optimize. The top dietary contributors to skin health work through 4 distinct mechanisms: providing collagen building blocks, protecting existing collagen from damage, supporting skin barrier function, and reducing systemic inflammation. The best foods for skin health work in multiple categories simultaneously. Research shows this pattern is more consistent across populations than previously understood. Studies find these effects are measurable and reproducible across independent research groups. The specific nutrients in skin health research each act on a distinct mechanism. Understanding these helps prioritize food choices. Research shows this pattern is more consistent across populations than previously understood. Studies find these effects are measurable and reproducible across independent research groups. The evidence here is robust, replicated, and directly relevant to your daily health choices. Science continues to confirm how deeply this influences your long-term biological outcomes. The skin nutrition framework has 3 layers: build, protect, and repair. Build means providing the specific amino acids, vitamin C, zinc, and copper needed for collagen synthesis daily. Protect means consuming antioxidants that shield existing collagen from glycation, UV damage, and oxidative breakdown. And repair means including the nutrients that support skin cell turnover, particularly vitamin A and essential fatty acids, that drive the 28-day skin renewal cycle. The timeline for dietary skin improvements follows the skin renewal cycle. Superficial improvements in hydration and skin texture can appear within 2 to 4 weeks as surface cells turn over. Deeper collagen-related changes, firmness, elasticity, wrinkle reduction, require 3 to 6 months, consistent with the slower dermis remodeling timeline. The Proxy RCT used 8 weeks. That's the minimum time frame to see statistically significant collagen-related improvements. Here is the practical daily skin nutrition protocol. Include a vitamin C-rich food at every meal. Bell peppers, kiwi, citrus, or strawberries all qualify. Eat fatty fish like salmon 2 to 3 times per week for omega-3s and astaxanthin. Have 1 to 2 servings of a collagen-supporting food daily, bone broth, skin on poultry, or eggs. And include a handful of berries daily for polyphenol collagen protection. The specific skin concerns you have determine which nutritional component to prioritize. If your primary issue is dryness and barrier dysfunction, omega-3s and adequate fat intake are the highest leverage intervention. They directly support cell membrane integrity and reduce transepidermal water loss. If wrinkle depth and skin firmness are your concern, collagen peptides combined with vitamin C is the research-supported combination. If hyperpigmentation and UV damage are the concern, astaxanthin and vitamin C's antioxidant effects are most relevant. Your skin is built from what you eat. The research is specific about what that means. Vitamin C is non-negotiable for collagen synthesis. Omega-3s maintain skin barrier function. Berries protect existing collagen from oxidative breakdown, and collagen peptides stimulate fibroblasts to produce more collagen in human RCTs. The inside-out approach doesn't replace good skincare. It provides the raw materials that make any other approach possible. No serum can build collagen from the outside in. No topical can provide glycine, vitamin C, and zinc to skin fibroblasts. The most powerful anti-aging skincare practice is also the most accessible one, eating the specific nutrients that your skin literally constructs itself from every single day. Research shows this pattern is more consistent across populations than previously understood.